More home cooks are exploring advanced cooking methods. They want restaurant-quality food at home. These techniques may seem intimidating, however they are surprisingly achievable. This essay explores 3 such methods: smoking, sous vide, and charbroiling. These methods, often used in professional kitchens, offer distinct benefits. Smoking infuses food with rich smoky flavors. Sous vide ensures even cooking to the exact desired temperature. Charbroiling creates a flavorful crust while locking in juices. By combining these techniques, home cooks can elevate their dishes. They can achieve complex flavors and textures. This approach, while multi-step, offers impressive results. Let's delve into each method before outlining the combined process. Smoking is an ancient technique. It uses wood smoke to flavor and cook food. It can be done using a dedicated smoker or with a DIY setup. Sous vide, French for under vacuum, involves cooking food sealed in a bag. This bag is submerged in a temperature-controlled water bath. This method ensures even cooking. Charbroiling uses high heat from below to cook food. This creates a flavorful char. This is often done on a grill or under a broiler. Each technique imparts unique qualities. These enhance the flavor and texture of food. Let's combine these techniques for a delicious example. Smoked and charbroiled sous vide steak. First, season your steak generously with salt and pepper. Place it in a vacuum sealable bag. You can add aromatics like garlic or thyme for additional flavor. Next, set your sous vide water bath to your desired level of doneness. For a medium rare steak, this is typically around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Submerge the bagged steak in the water bath and cook for 1 to 4 hours, depending on the thickness of the cut. Once the steak is cooked sous vide, remove it from the bag. Pat it dry. Place it in a preheated smoker using your preferred wood chips for smoke flavor. Smoke the steak for 30 to 60 minutes or until it develops a desirable smoky aroma and color. Then preheat your charbroiler or grill to high heat. Sear the smoked steak for 1 to 2 minutes per side to achieve a crispy, charred crust. Finally, let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Combining these techniques might seem complicated. However, it offers significant benefits. Sous vide ensures the steak is cooked evenly throughout. Smoking adds a depth of flavor. Charbroiling creates a satisfying crust. These techniques, while requiring specialized equipment, are within reach for home cooks. Many resources are available to guide you. The results are worth the effort. By mastering these methods, home cooks can impress their family and friends. They can create restaurant-quality meals in their own kitchens.